starts for a second and cuts off, like it's got an immobilizer issue. The clocks are dead. Today we're finally cleaning this nasty ass interior out. We're gonna get started by pulling the seats out so we can see underneath and all the nooks and crannies, see where it's reached, how bad it is, and clean the carpet out properly and all these panels so I can get to the back easier, and clean these properly outside as well, because it's really cramped in here. It's not going to be ideal. So let's get started. So guys, if you've worked on any veg card before, you already know this. But for those of you that haven't, you're going to need these spline bits, because a lot of this car is put together with these. So I think we've got the right size here. Yeah, it's an M10. Let's get this off. So that's all 4 bolts out, guys. I'm just gonna put them in here so we remember, and then it's ready to go pretty much. So we've got the seat pushed back. All that's left is this wiring. This one connector here by the look of it. Just gonna pop this off. There's that seat number 1 out, and it don't look too bad here. You got a little bit of mold starting to build up here, but carpet ain't too bad. Side panels alright. It's just these seats. Even the back seats ain't too bad, but yeah, let me pop the other side off. So I've just unbolted the driver's side now, and this side's got 2 connectors, if you can see down there. So I'm just gonna try. Let's connector number 1 off. This is the airbag one. Pops off like that. Good to go. So that's both seats out now. I'm gonna take them inside, give them a full detail. That's how the inside of the car is looking right now. I reckon it's a nice bit of weight reduction. Gonna work on the panels, all these hard plastics, get them cleaned up, disinfected, and then get started on the carpets and the back seats after. I've got some vinegar here, lightly diluted with some water. I'm gonna soak all the plastics, the dashboard, the door cards and whatnot. Let it sit for about half an hour and then wipe it down before we hit it with some steam. Because I've wiped it all down now and it's looking 10 times better already. So I'm just going to hit it all with some steam now. So it's not looking too bad after the vinegar and the steam clean. I'd say maybe it still needs a bit of plastic trim reviver, but overall it's not too bad. I just want to ask your opinion, because I was thinking with these race seats to maybe get rid of them, take them out for weight reduction, get some more noise from the exhaust. Let me know what you think, because you can get a bar that goes across. It's netted, so it's a bit of extra storage as well. I don't know if it adds stiffness. And then I think there's an option to get an extended boot floor as well. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think, if it's worth pulling the seats out or not, because I'm really contemplating it. Because I still do have the S3 for practicality, so that's not too much of a problem. Anyone who's done it, just comment down below, let me know if it was worth it or you regret it. So I went ahead and saturated the carpets with the vinegar mix as well. It's not been an hour, but it's been long enough. And that's my favourite part. We pull the wet vac out, and you already know what time it is. Something that dirty water out. I think it's going to be quite bad. I doubt it's ever been done. Bought one of these as well, because you see every single detailer on TikTok just going ham on the carpets. So I thought, I'm going to give it a try as well. So yeah, I'm going to whack my mask on, and that's enough of me talking, because breathing in here is not very fun yet anyway. Or is just the carpet's done, back seat's done. A few spots on the headliner steamed out as well, and then steamed a few of the plastics again because I had a couple of marks on them. It's looking pretty good if I say so myself. Belts are mint as well. The back ones were really bad, but sorted them out. So we've got the last two pieces of our mouldy puzzle here, and we're gonna hit them with the 3-piece combo, maybe even 4. So the vinegar's all soaked in. I'm gonna hit it with a wet vac and the steam and finish these off. So now the next day, I got a little tired yesterday, it was getting late. But I did complete this one. If you take a look, it's looking, I'd say, better than when it was new. It's probably cleaner if anything as well. All the stitching is mint. The center suede part's perfect as well. Whereas if you look at this one, still little bits of mold in all the stitching. So I'm gonna just complete this one quickly and then we'll chuck them back in the car. Probably shouldn't be doing this with a big ass phone right in front of my face. Okay, so now I have to be careful and make sure I don't scratch anything as I get this in. Okay, that's the first one in. May have scratched the plastic just a little, but it's nothing to worry about. Okay, let me grab the other seat and then we'll plug them in and get them bolted in. I'm not going to film that one though because it's not ideal having a big phone in front of your face when you're trying to move a seat. That's both seats in now. So all that's left is this wiring, which we're going to plug in first. Just whack this in like that. It's all closed up. Just pop it back into the slot here. Side. Get this cover on. We're ready to bolt this down. First we need to line it up. Get this little locator pin in the hole, and then this is good to bolt up. So I've got it seated nicely now. It wasn't just the one locator pin, there was one on that side as well. It was a bit wobbly first and then got that one in and now it's sorted. Grab our bolts, which we luckily put away safely. I'm just tightening it down as tight as I can now with this, and then I'll get the torque specs from online later because I don't know them right now, and then torque them all up properly because you need your seat to be secure. If you remember here on the driver's side, we've got the 2 connectors. Let's pop these in until they click. This one side, and same as the other side, got the pins on this side, the front and the back. Gonna line it up and then bolt this down as well. Before I show you the interior, I forgot to show you this. state of this. Fucking hell. That's disgusting. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. It's a drastic difference. I'm happy with it. It's not 100%. There's a few little bits, you know, where the mold's left a bit of like deep staining. So I'm gonna have to deal with that in the future. Like, it's not much. It's just one, two little patches here and there. But overall, I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Looks good. And now all that's left is for us to drop one of these bombs in here. Get the AC on. That's why I got the bonnet up. I'm going to jump start it. Get the AC running and pop this off. A little smoke bomb. Antibacterial. Hopefully it clears out anything in the AC system as well. I did steam through the vents. I didn't really record that, but I'm going to hit it with this as well, and then hopefully it's 100%. So we're going to have to end this one on a bad note, because we've got a fresh battery on. I've checked all the grounds, but it starts for a second and cuts off, like it's got an immobilizer issue. The clocks are dead, and the windows won't go up or down. If we don't get this sorted, our mold issue may just come back. But yeah, the clocks dying are a common issue on this car, but I don't think it's that, because the windows would still be working. And the radio comes on, but it's in safe mode. I need to get it plugged in, get it checked out, because I've heard it could also be the gateway control module, possibly. I think it's underneath there, behind the glove box. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, still got this here. We'll get to it soon, hopefully.